How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So simply close the app and then go to your settings. Then you're gonna have to scroll down to general, and down here simply tap on iPhone storage, and then you're gonna have to simply scroll down until you find the Authenticator app. So simply tap on show all, and then here you're gonna have to look for it and simply tap on offload app. So basically that means that you're gonna clear out the cache files of this app. So don't worry, because you're not gonna lose any accounts. Now simply tap on reinstall app. This method, as you can see, I'm doing it on an Apple device, but you can do it on Android device too. So simply tap and hold on your Android device on the Authenticator app. Then you're gonna have an info button. Simply tap on that, and then you're gonna get redirected to the settings of that specific app. Simply clear out the cache files, and basically you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.